Hi, my name is Jed Ackerman, and today I'd like to show you one of my favorite tricks in Apple Motion 3 to add pizzazz to some of the titling for your productions. Let's begin with a new project. We're going to need a little background video for this, so let's select Library, scroll down to Content, and we'll select Firewall and add that to our timeline. Now when it appears on our canvas, you'll notice that on either side of the fire is a lot of black space. And we're going to want to get rid of this, so let's just move this fire up a little bit and then use our inspector to scale the video up. And again, we'll move until we get a lot of flames inside the canvas. Now, we'll want to use the text tool and a font that is bold enough to really make this effect work. And for this example, I'm going to use Arial Black. And I'm just going to type fire. Now let's make this font just a little bigger so you can see it. And now we have the white text over the video. And that looks okay, but if we really want to add some pizzazz, let's make sure that we have the text layer selected. And in our heads-up display, you'll notice that the second line says blend mode, and by default it's set to normal. If you select the arrows to the right, you'll see a whole list of options that you can apply to the text layer. And for this example, we're going to scroll down and select Stencil Alpha. And what you'll notice is that the firewall video is now only visible inside our text. And if we hit play, the video will play, but only inside of our text. Now, while this appears to only be a single entity on our screen, you'll notice that in the timeline, it actually is still two separate layers. And this allows us to do a number of things still to this video, including edit the text. And now if we hit play again, you'll notice that the effect is still intact, even though we've made changes to either side. So this is just a fun effect that you may be able to use to add some pizzazz to your titling.